This meatball. Hey, our goal. Good morning, everybody. We are back in JB today again. We're currently at Decathlon because T is trying to shop for some stuff needed for our next adventure that you'll see in the next vlog. And we're gonna just have some food and vibe around again and take you along for this very wonderful day. We are on the way to have lunch now. Today, our goal is to spend as little money as possible on taking Grabs. So we decided to try a cafe that's been on my list for quite a while, and it's near the customs, so we can just walk there. So we're walking there right now. It's about a 9-minute walk. Because we don't want to spend so much, we realize it really adds up. So let's see if we achieve our goal today. Got our food and it looks so freaking good, and this place is super vibey. It looks like a huge house, and each room is like a different room in the house. That's why there's a bed, and I think it's so cool. Anyway, got meatballs and a Mexican breakfast, and this pastry looks so pretty. It looks like a ribbon. Ooh, look at this meatball. Look at this meatball.
Yummy?
We just finished lunch and it was really nice. I love that cafe so much. The vibes were very calming and nice. The food was good. And now we're on to our next place. We're going to Mount Austin now, and we're going to do something that we've always wanted to try, but it's just way too unreasonably expensive back home. And we're going to show you what it is. And we're just going to walk around there because there's lots of stuff over there. So yeah, let's go. We are at a rage room that we've wanted to try for so long. It was pretty affordable. It was 7 times cheaper than at home, so we had to. Satisfying? Yeah. Who made you so mad? Dessert time because it's so freaking hot today. Yay! What should I get? Ding! We need this. It's so hot today. Hello! We are at a DIY cafe. This is a place that we've been to like many times, like 5 or 6 times, and I freaking love it here because it's so therapeutic and calming. As you can see, the vibes just very nice, and there's many different things that you can choose to do. You can make what we're doing now, which is like oops like decadent cream stuff, which I'll show you, which I love doing. I think I've done that like 5 times already before because I just love putting such things around my room. and you get to pick all of your charms. These are the charms we picked. I think that's the most fun part about this whole thing, is that you just get to sit there and pick whatever you want for as long as you want. I just love this place. You know, lets my creativity come out, and it's very calming, and I just love it to like de-stress after a week of work. Why do you love coming here?
Because it's fun to find the little gibbets.
Welcome to our dinner spot. This is our favorite loklok place in JB, even though there's so many. We believe this is the best one after all that we've ever tried. And it's just freaking good, and it's so affordable. We got 53 sticks today because we have a hungry man over here. And yeah, we're just gonna dig in because we love loklok. And it's just, yet again, continuing our skewer love in different parts of the world. Continuing our skewer love in all different parts of the world. We're trying the spicy version this time because I finally stepped on my spice tolerance after going to China a couple times, and now we're gonna try it and see if I can take it. And this place sells bubble tea. It's great. Ready? My favorite broccoli. Ding.
Good?
Not too spicy.
Yeah.
Oh. Please come and try this. It's great. I think this is our 4th or 5th time having this already. We just spent the past like 5 hours in Austin. There's so much to do there, and it's about 8-something p.m. So we're gonna go back to somewhere near the customs, just, you know, walk around a little bit, spend our last few hours here before we go back home, and we'll take you along. We're gonna go to this night market right now. I just woke up from a fat nap in the car. I was so confused where we were when I woke up. I got a Singapore vintage shirt from the night market. Guess what? It was only freaking $3, and it's so freaking cool. Talks about all the food in Singapore, and fun fact, I used to have a vintage shop, so this really interests me, and I'm a nerd for it. So yeah, yay! We are at the customs on the way almost, and we're gonna go home. Today was really fun. We did so many things in just one day, and we managed to keep within budget, I think. So yeah. We are gonna go home now, and we'll see you in the next time we come here, or in our next adventure, or whatever it is. See ya!
See ya.
Subscribe if you want.